Hey guys, do not buy the dip on American stocks. Do not buy the dip on American stocks because it's easier to destroy things and short it than it is to build things and long it. It's much easier. It's 100 times easier, which is why Soros is making so much money on shorting the stock market. Well, how do you know Soros is shorting the stock market? Scott Bessent, who is Trump's number one right-hand man in terms of the American economy, is a George Soros disciple. He's a prodigy. He's a protege of George Soros. And so his job is to short everything and then destroy the American economy as he's shorting. It's absolutely insane. What about the bounces? What about the volatility? The easiest thing to do is long Chinese stocks. China's going to pump. China's going to go up. Everything about China is going to go up instead of the USA. What about Bitcoin? Unknown, undetermined right now. American stocks, whenever it goes down, Bitcoin generally tends to follow and correlate with American stocks, but there might be a decorrelation right now. Bitcoin might become digital gold, but I mean, who knows? It hasn't happened yet. It hasn't been confirmed yet. There's no confirmation. There's no track record of Bitcoin counter trading or counteracting the American stock market, so you can't bank on that yet. So what can you do? Is the only thing you can do is long Chinese stocks. The Chinese version of Tesla would be a good thing to long, and that's BYD. The Chinese version of Nvidia would be what's it called? It's 603501 is the ticker number. I forget how to pronounce it. Anyway, that would be a good thing to long. But the problem with Chinese stocks is that they don't let poor people buy in. Literally, they will not let you buy less than 100 or 500 or 1,000 shares or something like that, depending on which exchange you're on. It could be Hong Kong, Singapore, or Shanghai. They don't let you buy in single share quantities. They want you to buy 100 shares each or 500 shares each, and that costs about $40,000, $50,000. When I say they don't want poor people to buy, if you can't afford to just go, hey, I think I'll just buy some BYD for $50,000. If you can't do that, then you qualify as a poor person. I'm sorry. Even if you own your own home and you don't have $50,000 just laying around so that you can buy a risky Chinese stock. But how risky is BYD? Wouldn't Warren Buffett be a good metric for risk? I checked Warren Buffett's portfolio. He only has one stock. Warren Buffett only owns one Chinese stock. You know what that is? It's BYD. Huh? I'm hitting you with all these facts to tell you that because Scott Bessent, the right-hand man of Donald Trump, is a George Soros disciple, he's engineering the American economy to go into a Great Depression like he destroyed the British pound. And he's making money shorting. So it's much harder to make money shorting if you don't know the exact game plan than by longing. So what do you long? You long Chinese stocks, BYD and 603501. But I can't afford it. It's too expensive. I can't buy $50,000 worth of BYD stock. Don't worry about it. Just buy AOF. AO Fund actively traded. It's a Solana coin. AO Fund actively traded. What I'm doing with that is that I am trading BYD. I've studied all these Korean stocks. I've studied all these Chinese stocks. And I'm buying and selling for you, and I'm taking the profit. I'm just going to buy back AOF. So you don't have to. Otherwise, you're going to have to learn Chinese. You're going to have to learn how to read the Chinese news and Chinese Financial Times and the Korean Financial Times, because Korean stocks are going to go off now, and AOF is going to trade Korean stocks as well. So you don't have to. It's on Solana. I strongly recommend you at least get a little bit and just hold on to it. Watch the roller coaster pump.